Mix baking soda with cucumber and recover your eyesight in 7 days. You'll never need glasses or lenses again. To start using this remedy, put 2 cucumbers in a bowl and then rinse them with water and about 5 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is excellent for reducing acidity levels in the blood and urine, as well as helping to treat certain diseases. After washing the cucumbers, take half of one and cut it into small pieces. The astringent properties and refreshing effect of the cucumber make it a perfect ally for fighting eye fatigue. The second ingredient is lemon. Take a lemon and cut it into small pieces. Lemon provides a large amount of vitamin C, potassium, and small amounts of other vitamins and minerals. For the last ingredient, we'll use half an orange. Cut the orange into small pieces. The orange is a powerful antioxidant and an excellent source of vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. Now put all the ingredients in a blender. Add 400 milliliters of water and blend for 3 minutes. In the meantime, I'd like to ask you to rate me from 0 to 10 at the end of this text. Your rating is very important. Take the opportunity to let me know what city you're reading from. I love to know how well my tips are reaching you. Write to me and I'll get back to you with a big hug and a big kiss. Once the mixture is well blended, strain the liquid. This powerful combination can help improve your eyesight or that of a loved one. If you want your eyes to go back to the way they were before, this home remedy could be for you. After straining, our powerful infusion of cucumber, lemon and orange is ready. Drink a glass of this drink every morning and your eyes will thank you in 7 days. You'll never need glasses or lenses again. I'm sure that as soon as you drink your first glass, you'll be back to thank me. Important note: vision recovery is a complex process and can vary from person to person. It is essential to remember that this home remedy is not a substitute for professional medical care. If you have vision problems or any health condition, consult a specialist for appropriate treatment. Maintaining a balanced diet and adopting healthy habits also contribute significantly to the health of your eyes. Thank you for following our tips. Your participation is essential. Stay with us for more useful information. And that's it, folks. We've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and that the content was useful to you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends and family and, of course, I want to know what you thought. Leave a comment below with your opinion or suggestions for future videos. I love to hear what you have to say. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.